stop scrolling, because what you're about to see will change everything you thought you knew about electric cars. This is the 2026 Tesla Model S Coupe, and it's not just a car, it's a high-voltage statement that's about to shake the foundations of the automotive world. Sleeker, meaner, and faster than anything else in its class, this machine is Elon Musk's boldest move yet. A two-door beast designed to humiliate the Porsche Taycan and leave the Lucid Sapphire gasping for electrons. But here's where it gets crazy. This car hides a secret weapon, a feature so advanced, so unexpected, that even Tesla fans weren't ready for it. We're about to reveal it, but only if you stay locked in. Don't skip, don't blink, and whatever you do, don't miss what's coming. Because once it's out, there's no going back. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because this is just the beginning of what Tesla has in store for the future of performance EVs. From the very first glance, it's clear that this isn't your typical Model S. Gone is the four-door executive silhouette. In its place is a tightly sculpted, wide-stance coupe that screams speed and dominance. The matte black finish is sinister and seductive, paired with sharply contoured body lines and low-slung proportions. Every inch has been aerodynamically optimized, while still retaining Tesla's signature minimalist philosophy. Up front, the redesigned fascia features slim LED matrix headlights and a contoured carbon fiber lip spoiler integrated into the bumper. The hood flows into the body with elegance, and the muscular wheel arches house massive blacked-out turbine wheels with red performance calipers, a nod to the performance lurking underneath. The new coupe body not only looks stunning, but also contributes to reduced drag and improved high-speed stability. Around the back, Tesla has taken things to the extreme. A full-width light bar emphasizes the coupe's width, while the active rear spoiler and aggressive carbon diffuser hint at serious downforce management. The Model S Coupe is not just a pretty face, it's functional beauty with an attitude. And for those wondering, yes, this design makes the Porsche 911 look tame by comparison. But here's what few people know. The 2026 Model S Coupe comes with a new tri-motor setup, nicknamed Plaid Plus Black Edition, producing over 1,300 horsepower. Paired with Tesla's next-gen solid-state battery pack, it offers a range of nearly 500 miles on a single charge and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 1.8 seconds. Let that sink in. This thing is faster than most hypercars, and it doesn't even burn a drop of fuel. Additional upgrades include a new carbon ceramic brake system, adaptive suspension with track calibration, and torque vectoring software that allows this beast to corner like a supercar. Tesla's updated Neural Drive 4.0 system comes standard, offering real-time learning for autonomous features and more predictive vehicle control than ever before. Inside, the cabin gets a radical refresh too, although details are still under wraps. Early previews suggest a dual-screen driver interface, yoke steering 2.0, and a dynamic drive lounge setting that adapts lighting, seat bolsters, and sound feedback based on your driving mood. This isn't just transportation, it's an immersive driving experience built for the future. And here's the kicker. Despite all the performance and tech, the starting price is rumored to be around $119,000, undercutting the Porsche Taycan Turbo S and Lucid Air Sapphire by tens of thousands. For those craving the ultimate electric coupe, the Model S Coupe delivers on every front: performance, innovation, and value. Tesla isn't just entering the high-performance EV coupe market, they're rewriting the rules. With bold design, cutting-edge hardware, and ruthless performance, the 2026 Tesla Model S Coupe is here not just to compete, but to dominate.